What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve. I really appreciate you being here. This one is for the OGs. I've been gone for a minute, and I just feel like I kind of owe you guys an explanation. The last video was me moving in my new garage. I don't have power yet, so I haven't been able to work on my car at all, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I've just been working really hard, getting everything unpacked. Most importantly, getting the wife and the kids moved in. I had my brother-in-law here for a week. Shout out to you, Tim. So it's been kind of crazy, but I just want to check in with you guys and show you what I've gotten done on the garage. Let's go check it out. La. Dark as shit out here. Gotta do this kind of by feel here. Oh shoot. Let's see, there we go. All right. Boom. Woo, that was kind of sketchy. So, still kind of new here. I'm gonna shut this so bugs don't come in. Anyway, this is what we got for lighting right now. As you can see, I got my turbo Civic here. Yeah, I do not have power to my garage, so I can't afford to have an electrician come in. So honestly, I don't know how to run the power line myself to put some outlets in here, even though the breaker's like 3 feet away on the house. I just can't do that myself. I don't want to burn the garage down or anything like that. So yeah, got these two guys running off of that, which goes to this, which goes under the garage door and through the screen of the air conditioner right there. So I got most of my garage stuff here. Got my toolboxes and everything over here, my clutch that I have to still put on. The engine, which is my F22B6 over there. Jack stands, which I need to replace because those are Harbor Freight, no good. But I have some Huskies over there that are just fine. So that's that. Got a photograph I took. It's ready to get framed. My Integra fender that's ready to be mounted, but I kind of need to clean it up because the move jacked it up, so I need to respray it, I think. And I got all my parts here. I got the Odyssey axle down there. A couple heads up here, some random parts. And just finally getting moved in. I'm just finally getting moved in. Over the last week, I've been really working hard on a music video I shot for a guy named Evolve. You guys can check that out here.
Dipping, dashing, I got work inside the dashboard. Show you the world, what else I'm making this cash for. Funny if you think I go another way. Sipping dirty, but you clean my soul, get high in other ways. 30s ain't for me, I like the trees, I'm smoking, now's the place. Sipping slow, girl, liquor store is closed for the day.
It's gonna drop on the 6th, but I figured I'd give you guys at least a little preview. So I've been working hard, been shooting music videos since I got here. That's what I do for the daily. So if you're in Colorado and you need some kind of video or photo work, hit me up. darkmattermediaco.com or darkmattermedia719. You can find me online. So turns out my neighbor's kind of an asshole. She was mad that my mother-in-law parked blocking the sidewalk today in our driveway because her kid had to go around on her bike. And so I'm thinking that we probably won't have the best interactions with her. But the next step is to get this Civic out and actually street tune it. I don't have registration for it, but it is insured. So I'm just gonna cruise around the neighborhood and see what I can do data logging wise. And if anybody wants to help me with that tune, I would really appreciate it. I can probably knock it out myself, but I've got a lot going on. As far as the house goes, I'm gonna be grabbing another extension cord for my rototiller and tilling the backyard and putting some grass seed in. And just got a lot going on. So I'm sorry I haven't been around lately, but I have not forgot about you. I miss posting on YouTube. And I will be back better than ever soon. My Blazer's up here. the Integra's up here, the Civic's up here, everything's up here, and For some reason, the Blazer, which was having a crazy rod knock, does not knock anymore. I don't know if you guys can tell me why the hell that would be, but it was having a tock, 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 tock. I mean, a loud knock every time it was running. And then it sat for a year, and now it's not knocking at all. Maybe the oil sludged up or something, but she's not knocking anymore. So I think if it's not knocking, I could probably rebuild it, and hopefully we can do that. So anyway, I just wanted to check in with you guys. Say I miss you all. I really appreciate everybody's support and just waiting for me. And over the next couple days, I'll start posting more content. I'm gonna get the Civic out tomorrow. It's time to get this thing on the road and get ripping, man. I got AAA. I can blow up within 15 miles of here, and I'll get a tow home, and we can rebuild it, and you know, we'll make it happen with these extension cord lights and everything. So, well, yeah, I really appreciate every single one of you. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comment section below what you guys are working on. Yeah, I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for having my back. Let's keep on trucking. All right, peace out, guys.